doing a good job, baby. It looks real good. All right, y'all. This is the Bones Riders pressure washing the refrigerator. Music playing in the background, so I'm walking off. We got a stack of tables sitting right there to be put out on this part right here. Looking at the back of the place. We'll put the tables out there. So I'm out here. There's lights going all the way around this fence here. And there's a light up there to light up the area. Willie talking to the grandbaby right now. And this is the Bones Riders, and we are getting it together, y'all. We'll talk to all you beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.